Hello everyone, welcome to the 5th episode of the Frulix editor walkthrough series. In this episode, I'll show you some more advanced animations and keyframes. I'll start by creating a new project called Tour, because it's a 360 video tour. I have a 360 time-lapse video of New Delhi and it has a musical track associated with it. So this would be a musical video with vocals of the song appearing as text. And I will make the text show different animations. I'll start by adding the first text and making it color dark red. Now I'm placing the text on top of the building. So I want the text to fly up. At the start, it's there, and at the end, I want it to be a little farther up and towards me. I will use a feature called Keyframes to do this. You can see the keyframe button on the timeliner action bar, or you can also press the K character key on keyboard. I will add one keyframe at the start of the slice and one at the end. Once you have selected a keyframe, you'll see you cannot add any more keyframes. This is done to avoid adding too many keyframes by mistake. Just move the keyframe to end position of where you want the object to be. I have to make some minor adjustments and apply fade in and fade out effect. We can see from start to the end position, text goes linearly. This linear transition behavior is configurable from the properties panel. Similarly, I will add a text for the next line of the song. On the path near the fountain. I've set a starting point keyframe. Same way, also set the end point keyframe. Also, I have applied fade in and fade out to the text. Now I will show you how to apply a lot of keyframes on the same text and do something funky. So there are too many people in the 360 video. I will add a text on the ground and try to escape all the foots. You can keep adding keyframes after some interval, so to make the text move, try avoiding any footsteps in between. And finally, make an exit for the text. So let's see how it looks. All the keyframes that I have added are also visible from the properties panel. Here you can see all the keyframes listed in time. You can also delete any of these keyframes if you like. You can also change the position, rotation and scale. And below every keyframe you will see a transition which basically tells you how the new position of the keyframe will get transformed from the previous position. By default, the movement between keyframes is linear. You can change it from here if you wish. Also, you can directly copy the position, rotation and scale of a keyframe to make other keyframes also look exactly the same. For example, I will make keyframe 8 look exactly the same as keyframe 7. We can now see that both the keyframes are exactly at the same position. That's all for this episode. If you have some question regarding the video, please put down in comments. We'll be happy to answer. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe.